alive in the sound of black people. What? That's not what we're doing.
The hills
No. Back again. I'm David. That's Esther. What are we reacting to actually?
Do you know? Yeah. The basis of this song, even the beginning, I was like, this guy is very creative.
What?
Honestly, called it the sound of the Skeng. If you guys have watched The Sound of Music, you know what I'm talking about. You don't know because you've never seen The Sound of Music.
Yes, I have.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you very sure you've seen The Sound of Music?
I'm 10,000.
Name up one other song apart from The Sound of Music.
One. Exactly. It's like, shut up. Yeah, there we go. Alright, The Sound of Skeng. How dare you even try question
If you haven't watched The Sound of Music, log off. Don't even watch.
Slightly don't log off because I'm guaranteeing you most of these people probably ain't watched The Sound of Music.
Then you're not going to understand the sound of the Skeng.
Slightly they will. Hey, maybe we don't understand the sound of Skeng. Alright, guys.
We will.
Stormzy, Sound of Skeng. Sounds of Skeng. Oh, here we go.
Of the Skeng and education. Sorry. Hey! Nah! I don't get it! After that last video he done, the visuals on that were like A1.
This is A2.
This is just A2. I don't even know what this is.
Easy.
Okay.
And it's like 5 whole years on the circuit.
What did it say in the book of what?
Easy. And it's like 5 whole years on the circuit. Every single year I murk it. I switch floors, they jerk it. I flip more than reverse it. Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it.
Tell Borean boy. Reimburse it. Let's hope he's worth it.
Sorry.
Okay.
I just hope that it's worth it.
Right.
Cause if it's like a bitch, I'll stay where I make it look.
Hold on.
Floors, they jerk it. I flip more than reverse it. Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Cause if it's like a bitch, I'll stay where I make it look.
Hey.
I'ma make it look perfect. Carrie probably deserves it. See old school might just splurge it. Please don't let it resurface. They go the fastest, I go the furthest. And then they been the hardest. And I run all my man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just blood up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, my skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know
Whoa! It's about the record labels. Go back. That's crazy. Wait.
Man just blood up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, my skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Stop, allow me again. This sounds of the Skeng. I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs are different. Nigga, I miss the Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance, so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just start begging it.
Yo. Joking, he's angry about all of these comments. No, joking. Hey, yo, he did not come to play. Hey, sometimes
he doesn't need his record labels though. He's doing his own thing.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
He doesn't at all.
I like the visuals.
It says
though.
the visuals are sick.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, like there's a lot of thought into the video. He doesn't need no assistant. That's why the thing is, I feel like that's why he's able to do what he's doing. Because when he came out, he didn't sign to no record label. He was just doing whatever he was doing. He was putting out videos. He was doing his visuals.
That's the way it slightly should be, though, isn't it?
Because when you sign to a record label, they tell you what you have to. I mean, they kind of control what you can put out and what you're doing, and you can't be free with your creativity. But now, even if he signs, I don't know if he's signed now, but I know he's got his own record label. It's like they can't chat to him because he's already done the numbers by himself. Like.
Yeah, that's this consistent. You man just start begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much. Oh.
Isn't that true though?
That's like.
Yo.
That's sad. Dig it.
Who has he collaborated with that's American? No one. Has he?
I can't think of it.
When he was coming out, the thing is, I understand what he's saying because a lot of, I don't want to say a lot, but you know, like
the majority of British artists, when we make it as British artists, we go to
the Americans to kind of like seek validation that okay, I'm good. Like if I collaborate with this American artist, that means that I'm really good, basically. But the crazy thing is, some of these American artists, have you noticed it? Forget about Drake. Drake is different. Like I'm just talking about other American artists. Like when when a British artist does a song with them and they launch the song, the American artist doesn't post it on their page. They don't. I've literally, I'll go on their page
never done that shit.
and I'm like, why is he not posting the song? Do you know what I mean?
But if it was a reverse, we would probably...
Yeah, we'd obviously post it because we're like, oh yeah, they're American and we seek validation from them. But it's like we don't actually need their validation because we're in our own lane, so...
Of course, the coast and I never get moved up facts. We talking racks, we talking plaques, all stats. I rude boy, you do the math. I look, king in the south, but I live in the sticks now. Really been about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now. Big for my view, but it's funny it fits now. The source got a stick to my swag and tricks now. You niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. Cause that boy...
Stormzy!
Hey.
Come on! Give them a chance! Give us a chance!
Now, you niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. Cause that boy got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now. But man might kick off your face and worse. Man might leave with the babes on burst. Man just blood up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist and skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Step, allow me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs are different. Nigga run Mr. Skeng's got the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point. Throws, wrist on point. For the trolls, fist on point. Posing your list on point. Wait there, little niggas wanna diss this track. They're trying to figure out what is this track. Me and Flipper come and flip this track. My fist big like miss this track. Little niggas can't hit this track. And I knew it was a banger when I ripped this track. Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic. Big it in person, whipping excursion. My niggas whip this track. Don't fight like President flips this.
Done. So done.
He's
pissed.
He's actually pissed, isn't it?
He's getting at everyone.
Here comes old school Stormzy.
Wow.
Real niggas gonna think this straight, but man might kick off your face and worse. Man might leave with the babes on burst. Man just blood up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist and skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Step, allow me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs are different. Nigga run Mr. Skeng's got the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
This consistent.
Hey, let me nigga that's this consistent. Hashtag murky.
The visuals behind this and the idea is actually sick, honestly. Like each and every single time he does his videos.
Records, yeah.
I told you he owns his own records. I don't think he's signed to anyone.
License to Atlanta.
Is it Virgin?
Atlanta.
Oh, Atlanta. Okay. Honestly, like. Stormzy, man. He's actually come such a long way, I'm not gonna lie.
Nah, he did.
He's got, like now, yeah, he's in a position where he can do whatever he wants. No one can tell him anything. Because obviously he's done, you know, like when you do the work before you get a record label to like sign you, you've kind of proved that I don't really need you, but what are you gonna do for me? So they're in that position where like, okay, yeah, do whatever you want to do because you've been doing this before we even came into the picture. But nah, Stormzy's consistency is sick. So sick.
Stormzy being Stormzy, innit? Yeah. Guys, tell us what you think about that.
Yeah.
Like, comment, subscribe. Leave any suggestions, got prosperity, time, notifications on the
So you say that without me. Well, yeah, without further ado, see you guys in the next video.